Good day. Today I've trying to record a quick video for one of my clients, Doncaster Creations. They do 3D laser cutting and engraving. They contacted me and said that they've lost their shop page, and yeah, I need to try and help them get it back. At the moment they don't have a backup, and so I want to just recommend a backup before I start recording this video. So just hold on. Okay, so my preferred backup is called WP Vivid Backup and Migration. So this is the URL, and so I would recommend always having a backup of your WordPress site. But in this instance we don't have it, so I'm going to go and show you how to recreate the pages, the shop pages and that. So yeah, I'm going to just pause as I fill in these details. There we go, I'm returned back at the page. So what you do is you choose the WooCommerce and you go to the status option. Okay, and then you'll see at the top here it's got tools, so you can just click on tools, and then you can scroll down and look for an option that says regenerate standard pages, create default WooCommerce pages. So you click on this, it says, are you sure you want to run this tool? Say OK. And all missing WooCommerce pages are successful. So you can go to pages and you should find a shop page. And there we go. We got shop page. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful and informative. And thanks very much. Goodbye.